Ho! Great Day is here once again. Everlove News TV is here to bring you exclusive video. Right here, we are just behind Keta Police Station, and it's one of the major roads that passes through Keta Municipal. We have two roads. One is tied one, and this is the feeder road. And I'm here to let you know exactly what is happening at this road. Look at it. The road has been turned to a rubbish dump. Yet our politicians, those in authority to do something about this road, says nothing about this. This road has been like this for so many years. Politicians will come, they'll keep on saying something about it, but yet they'll never do anything. This road has been here for ages. But nothing's have been done about this road. I'm going to make you watch this video very well. Watch this video from A to Z and let's tour this road, and you'll see what is happening on this great road. But our politicians, those in authority, refuse to do something about this road, and it has turned to be a rubbish dump for people. It is not even a potholes on this road, and it is manhole. Let's go and tour this road. Remember, it's Everlove News TV. Kindly subscribe to this channel because we are in here to bring you good exclusive videos around us and even beyond Volta region. So stay glued and watch this video from A to Z. One of the biggest curve within this road. You can check it. People use this road as a place to have their building materials to be here for a meantime before building. You can see how bad it is. A road that's supposed to be one of the great roads for this Keta Municipal Assembly has turned to be a place for building construction, a place for people to build people to put their manufacturing things over here. So it's just pity. It is just pity that this road that's supposed to be one of the great roads within Keta Municipality has turned to be like this. Look at this. Look at how the road has been. One side of the road has been turned automatically to be a bricks. They've laid a bricks on one side of the road, and then a gravels at one side of the road. Sand is one side of the road. So I don't think two vehicles can bypass each other over here. So we are going on just to tour this road and going to the end of the road. So stay close to this great channel. We are here to, you see, as you can imagine, this is one of the road. People are using this route, but still government officials refuse to maintain this road for it to be one of the better one. Government officials refuse to do this road. They keep on promising. Promises keep on coming day in, day out, but nothing has been done about this road. We are going to tour on this great road and see everything that is happening on this road. And you look at this building over here. It's very nice building for say, but look at it. This road is supposed to be one of good road, and then people around this area can also get a good lighting system. One of the drivers says within these areas, in case there is an emergency in the night, because of how bad the road is and there is no light system around this area, drivers refuse to pass through this area just because they are afraid. And there is a rumor that this area, if you're able to pass through this road in the night, you will definitely be murdered. So why won't the government officials pass through this road and do this road for us once again? We are going on to check all the road. So stay glued to this great channel. It's Everlove News, Everlove TV. Stay glued to this great channel.